Hey, welcome to my channel, guys. Now this is pre-Christmas season. Now we are trying to move towards Park Street to see what's happening here. So stay connected with my channel. And yes, we are filling up the car and we'll be going over there. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Yeah, I'm holding my gloves, so that's the reason you saw it. Yeah, all right, bye bye guys. We are stuck in jam in Park Street. You can see this is the Park Hotel. Trinkas, this is Trinkas. Lots of Mercedes, Audis, and yeah, that is a Mercedes. Oh my god. Now you can see we are in Park Street, guys. So that is the pre-Christmas season going on in Park Street, and people are cops are doing their work, and we appreciate Kolkata police for doing this. And that is a Park Hotel.
Sanfa basement. See the car.
Yeah, look at the car here.
See that car right inside.
Yeah, that is a Mini Cooper.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a Mini Cooper, I think, guys. We can see the Mini Cooper in the Park Street right now. Let me show you the Mini Cooper from here, okay? Now also you can see the poverty in this cultural place. In this area, you have got this property. You have got $10 or something. You have got anything? There's a Mini Cooper. My friend is a little bit exhausted right now because he's driving the car. Lots of cars. Kolkata police is taking a nice step and working awesome thing. Now that is the scenario, guys. You can see lots of people are doing party and all here, and yes, there's a place, beautiful girl, beautiful couples, and lots of people are in this night. It's what is the time? Let me check the time, guys.
It's around 2:30.
Let me show it. Let me see. Yeah, it's 2:30. Okay. All right. It's one of the Mercedes. You will get. People are getting rich day by day. People are becoming richer day by day. Yeah, but we don't know how they are getting rich, but they are. But people are also struggling, like driving Ola, Uber, and you can see lots of people are here. Like, people are so much in mood of enthusiastic mood. They are in enthusiastic mood, and we are going a little bit. Let me see what happens. People are so much upgraded here. Girls are having fags and all. So yeah, that is the scenario. Let me show you how does it look. Only United States, United Kingdom doesn't enjoy in this Christmas. We also do. All right, now, oh my god, freaking god, everybody is shooting themselves out here. It's a colorful night, and it is pretty much not crowded because
girls are also wearing the shorts and all.
Yeah.
In this coolie season.
Yeah.
They are not affected with that.
No, it's pretty cool. It's modern culture. They think they are wearing this kind of things. They are taking the Western culture. That's fine, but all people are not same. So that is a problem. Lots of problems are happening. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you a different car. You can see this car, huh? Yeah, look at it, man. That is a BMW. Yeah, we just got it. Now let's move. There's a posh area of Kolkata, like
Right inside Peter Cat.
yes, I have taken it. So people come here on the Christmas, like to spend night or to chit chat with like friends and all. There's a nice place. You can see
We are
the
nearby Olipop.
yeah, Olipop. Now that is a road. That is the thing. The roads are so fine. It's so awesome in this Park Street because it is the place where foreigners come. So that is the reason it has been taken care properly by the government. So US government has got their US embassy in Park Street, so you can get a flavor of United States or maybe a United Kingdom in Park Street. But actually normal roads of India is not like same. What do you say?
Yes.
It's not same like this. It's pretty good here, but all of the Kolkata's road are not so good. But we can, all of us can take some step. We can try to keep our city clean so that we can make our city clean. So we are out from that. So the lights are not that much right now. I'm getting your phone shadow. All right, so it's night time. It's pretty awesome. It's a place you can see. It's Kolkata. There is no cops. Bikers can go without helmet. Bikers can do anything they want. They can drink, they can drive. So guys, you have seen the scenario of Kolkata in pre-Christmas season, and I have taken this entire shot on 22nd of December 2019. So we are moving towards 2020. So in advance, I want to tell you Happy New Year in advance and Merry Christmas. So
Keep watching.
yeah, keep watching and subscribe our channel for latest updates. Thank you very much, guys. You have a lovely day ahead. Bye bye.